Hey, what's up YouTube? Well, as you know, yesterday I unboxed the iPhone 11 clear case, but in today's video I'm back at it one more time. I have the pine green silicone case for the iPhone 11 Pro. So I wanted to take a look at this guy real fast, and then I'm going to compare and contrast the two cases, talk a little bit about the iPhone 11, 11 Pro, and 11 Pro Max. So again, we can peel it out just like that, and here is the silicone case. Now, this is the case that would probably look best with the iPhone 11 Pro Midnight Green color wave. So, as you guys can see, if I go ahead and pop my iPhone 10 right in this case, the iPhone 11 Pro is the same exact size, but as Tanner pointed out in his video, look at how much bigger this camera array is going to be. It's going to be just massive. If I go ahead and set an appropriate wallpaper, that is what the iPhone 11 Pro is going to look like from the front with the pine green case on. Now, if we go ahead and compare this to the iPhone 11's case, as you can tell, the iPhone 11 is a little bit bigger than the iPhone 11 Pro. And again, comparing that to the Max over here, the iPhone 11 is going to be just a little bit smaller. Anyhow, comparing the cases a little bit, you can tell the obvious size differences, but how do these cases really feel? Well, as you guys know, I'm a huge fan of the silicone cases. I've used them in the past, and this feels pretty much exactly the same as any other silicone case. I like that the buttons are slightly darker on the volume as well as the side button, and that is a nice little touch right there. As far as grip-wise goes, they both have a pretty good grip. I mean, the plastic one right here, the plastic clear case, almost has a better grip than the silicone ones. It's just tighter. And then the other thing I wanted to show you guys is on the sides right here with these buttons, they're definitely made of a different material, so they are really squishy. Which is one thing that kind of third-party clear cases don't have. Usually these buttons are really hard and obnoxious to use, but Apple's feels really nice. And again, same goes for the silicone case right here. It's pretty easy to actually push in right here. Anyway, guys, just a quick video today, again, taking a look at two iPhone 11 cases. Again, the clear case was first introduced with the iPhone XR, but now it's available for the entire 2019 lineup. And we have this new green color wave to go along with the Midnight Green 11 Pro. Anyway, guys, if you enjoyed this video, you know what to do. Thank you so much for stopping by. We have some more awesome content coming at the end of this week, so stay tuned. But until next time, this is Tony, signing out.